In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Windows 10 or 11 product key. So first you have to open up a notepad and then type this in. This is going to be a path we're going to be using. So make sure to get a good look at it and make sure that these slashes are backslashes, not forward slashes like this. So this is all one line, as you can see. So once you've got it, you can now copy this whole path just like that, minimize that, and then search for regedit. Click enter, and then it's going to show you a prompt. Click yes, and then over here there's going to be a path field right here. Just paste in that path that you typed, and I'm going to blur just real quick, and then you can click enter, and over here you're going to see an entry called backup product key default, and next to that there's going to be a code. This is going to be your product key. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.